Hello everybody, and Hello everybody, my name is Jessica Alexandria, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright y'all, so today I decided to get on video and actually record my
Today, I decided to get on video and actually record
my first YouTube video. So this is going to be my YouTube journey. Alright, so I am doing my makeup and I just got finished washing my face. So if you see me looking to the side, I'm actually doing my makeup in my mirror. Alright, so I've been literally procrastinating on doing this YouTube channel. Like literally procrastinating. So I basically wanted to start this YouTube journey just because it was always something I want to do. Always something that I wanted to try. As you can see, I am not used to being on the camera. And I'm always shy of the camera. I like taking pictures, but I don't like people taking pictures of me because I feel like I always look crazy. But more of the reason, you can learn everything on YouTube. So more of what I want my YouTube journey, my YouTube experience to really be about is me trying new things. As far as like DIYs, trying just generally stuff that I never tried before. And this is actually something on my list that I never tried before. And honestly, right now, like the way I researched on YouTube on how to start your YouTube channel, they had scripts and everything. Right now, I'm just moving with the flow. Honestly, I'm just moving with the flow and just talking. That's all I'm doing, is just talking. But yeah, hopefully this YouTube channel would be great. And I also just want to give a little background on myself. Just like I said, my name is Jessica Alexandria. And, I have two little ones. And I'm in my 30s. I want to tell you how actually, I just know that I'm 30 something. So I'm actually 30 plus. But, I actually don't look my age to be 30 plus, but to each his own. But for more what you guys can expect from this channel is DIYs, because I love doing DIYs, and that was a big thing for me, actually watching other people or other YouTubers videos. I love watching DIYs. I love watching beauty videos. That's a big thing. Lifestyle videos. So more of that sort of content I'm going to be bringing to you guys on my channel. Hopefully I can bring it to your channel. Hopefully I won't procrastinate on making videos. But oh, this is Jack. But yeah. Hopefully I won't be procrastinating on making videos. I pray that I don't. Because one thing about me, like, I'll start something and I won't finish it. I really won't. Like, to say that is messed up, but I do it all the time. And I'm trying to get into this habit of not being a procrastinator, not following through with things that I really want to do. You know, I don't like that. I don't like that version of myself because I know I have so much potential to do way so much more. And I just be procrastinating about it. And I don't know why. So hopefully with this channel, I am able to stick with it. Oh, and I always put my concealer before I do my foundation. It's a habit. I feel like my makeup turns out way better if I do it that way. But yeah, what was I saying? I feel like this is going to be a learning experience for me. It's something different. It's something that I want to do. It's something that I've been waiting to do. And I'm just hoping for the best. Like, are y'all getting me, or am I just like confusing y'all right now? I'm just hoping for the best. That's all. I just hope that I can inspire people as far as like, hey, like, get up, just do it. Because I feel like right now I'm in a part of my life also where I feel kind of stuck as far as like compared when I was younger. I just was more of, all right, let's do it. All right, let's do this. But I feel like ever since I had, like, no shade to having kids or whatever, but ever since I had kids, like, that part of me has been pushed to go through this. And that's another reason why I wanted to do my YouTube channel. You know, just don't mind me. I do my makeup based on how I do my makeup. May not be the right way, but it's the way that I do it. So it is what it is. But now that I have kids, I'm very cautious of what I do. Um, I just feel like I took a back seat on the things that I want to do, and I'm just ready. You know, I'm ready to get back out there. Alright, so I'm just going to take my same that I beat my contour with and stamp my face out, you know? But like I said, took a step back and now I'm ready. You know, I went through a lot previously in the 2 years, whereas though I feel like I was falling in like a cycle of doing stuff. It was like a routine cycle, and I basically wasn't fulfilling the stuff that I needed to do for myself. Let me say that. And this may sound complicated because I am a very complicated person. But that's just it. Like, and me just doing my makeup, I don't do a lot of my makeup. I really don't. Because I ain't a pro at this. I honestly just started doing my makeup, like, I want to say a couple years ago. And I do it to my liking, honestly. I am not a pro. I'm not. I just do it so it can look presentable when I go out. Alright, so I had to line under my eyes off the camera. But just some more synopsis for those that didn't understand what I was trying to say. This channel is basically going to be about lifestyle, DIYs, and beauty. Because that's what I'm interested in. That's what I like. And I just want to share the things that I'm going to learn so I can spread the love. You know, you feel me? Sorry. But I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to get my head together. I'm going to put some lip liner and some lip gloss on. And I'll be back. I hope you guys enjoyed my first YouTube journey video. I need you to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.